Welcome to your Florida home. This beautiful house was built in 2006, and we're going to walk through. I'll show you all of the great features of this home and just give you a good introductory feel for it. We'll talk a little bit about the community and the area, and then you can decide if this is the right house for you to live your Florida dream lifestyle. So we are on the Nature Coast. This is Canterbury Lake Estates. This development was built around lakes that are private for just this community. So you have a community park that has a fishing pier and just a really beautiful nature setting. This particular house, I'll show you when we get in the back, has a partial view of the lake and easy access to one of the lakes. So right off the bat, you've got this beautiful open living room, dining room setup, plenty of space there in the dining room, engineered hardwood floors, high ceilings, beautiful setup. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and to the left here is our primary suite. It does have a space-saving pocket door for privacy, as well as a pocket door there for the ensuite bathroom. If you look down here, there's a beautiful mosaic tile decorative feature there on the floor, so that's really pretty. So here's the bedroom. We have French doors out to the pool, which I'll show you in a minute. Plenty of space. You've got the bed, you've got an extra seating area, a nice size armoire, a couple of bedside tables, and then here we have a lovely walk-in closet. Look at all the shelving. There's attic access up there, so you can go up into the attic and store some things that you don't use regularly. Lots and lots of space for clothes, shoes, purses, whatever you need to store in your closet. Here we have the ensuite bath, 2 separate sinks. So it's not just a double vanity, but it's his and her sinks. Walk-in shower, lots of space there. And then around the corner here we have the water closet area. Very nicely tucked away, so really well laid out. Makeup vanity here. Go ahead and head on through the living area again, French doors out to the pool. So you're not contending with sliders that are getting stuck or anything like that, but you can open those doors up and have that indoor-outdoor flow very easily. This is a very generously sized breakfast area, so you could fit a larger table here if you wanted to. You've got the breakfast bar here in the kitchen, granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry. We have pull-outs. So when you look in these cabinets here, these drawers pull out, so easy access to all of your kitchen items. Stainless steel appliance set, well appointed. Across from the kitchen then is basically a bonus space. It could be a mud room. It's a little office, mini office area. There's a utility closet here. This also could serve as interior laundry if you wanted interior laundry. Right now the washer and dryer is in the garage, and I'll show you that in a minute. But this used to be a laundry room, so if you wanted to convert it back, you certainly could. Again, a pocket door, so you can separate that space off for privacy. And then we have our spare bedroom end of the house. So here's the first of the 2 bedrooms. Nice plush carpet in this room. So you're noticing there's either tile, engineered hardwood floors, or carpeting. The guest bath has a tub shower combo, a nice size vanity. And then here with the 3rd bedroom, this bedroom's huge, and it has the engineered hardwood floors, a nice built-in closet, some extra deco nooks you're probably noticing, also the fans in the bedrooms and the lights in the bedrooms, a nice little linen closet here. It's a great hallway that walks around and kind of wraps around the house to go to those bedrooms. So let's pop out and take a look at this garage. 2-car garage, insulated garage door, and then you have your laundry here. Couple of updates with this home. The water heater is being replaced, so it'll be brand new water heater, and there is a brand new roof that will be installed prior to closing. Otherwise, those items are original to the home, so due to age, those will be updated. We've got the laundry sink out here as well. Nice little work area with the cabinetry. And then you notice there, it is central vac. So there's a central vac system throughout the house, and there is a sprinkler system. So easy to keep your lawn in beautiful shape. So with the central vac, as you walk around, you'll notice in different places there are the vacuum hookups where you hook your, right here's one of them, here in the primary suite. You just plug your little hose in there and you can vacuum away. So usually in the hallways and a couple of different areas in the house, you'll find those hookups for the central vac. So we are now walking out to the pool deck, and we have nice little space here where you can set up a table, and then it opens up into a pretty expansive deck area. This is a chlorine pool. It is heated with an electric heat pump. Look at the space for a dining table, and that's a lovely, lovely place to set. So you can see right behind is a drainage retention area. So that's all for collecting water if we get heavy rains. This is not a flood zone. You don't have to worry about that aspect, but certainly we can get some heavy rains and heavy winds from time to time. So it is nice to have that behind the house and just have that extra protection. We'll walk out here, and I want to show you. So if you're looking to the right now, you can see one of the lakes, and we can actually walk over, and there's a pathway, and we can walk down to that lake and cast into the water and do a little fishing. So pretty fun to have that access right here from your backyard. Really love that, and it's just beautiful. So peaceful. So this is a very peaceful community. It's just a really quiet place. There's only one entrance to come into this community and one exit, so there's no through traffic. It's just going to be people that live here and their guests. So it stays nice and quiet. This house is at the end of the Canterbury Lake Drive, so it's a cul-de-sac, so it's even quieter here. And you do have this coveted social membership. It's a mandatory membership, and it gives you access to all kinds of resort-style amenities. Fitness centers, pools galore, spa services, hot tub, tennis courts, golf courses, multiple golf courses to enjoy. You have dog parks, walking trails, restaurants, and these are all private facilities, so they're only for members. Basically a membership country club with all of those great facilities. The list just goes on and on. So this is a complete package. You're getting a beautiful move-in ready house, you're getting social membership, you're living in a quiet community that just gives you the peace and tranquility of nature. There are deer that walk around this community. There's a lot of wildlife that you're going to enjoy, especially with the lakes. You've just got an abundance. So if this sounds like the type of life you're looking for, you want your own private pool and the perfect house, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,000 square feet, brand new roof, brand new water heater, then I would say you need to give my team and I a call as soon as possible. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, and we are RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. You can reach us at 352-794-1426. Talk to you soon.